Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Range Rover Vogue. So from any screen, that's the home screen, so you've got your phone there, media, navigation. However, if you were say on the phone screen, you could just click on navigation, which is there, the arrow, click on the navigation. That's not showing a whole lot there. Click on navigation again, you've got search. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and the postcode is PR54EA. Nothing happens. You've got to press the return button to enter that. Now then you come up with another screen. It shows a map, but nothing happens. However, PR54EA, you've got to highlight that, and then you actually get to start.
After 100 yards, you will reach your destination.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.